In our digital world today, where everyone has a short attention span, the power of visuals shines. Visual content is the superhero of quick info sharing on social media, making it easily shareable across social media platforms and appealing to diverse audiences. Now, you may wonder how we can use visual communication to connect with the audience, and that's what we're going to talk about today. Hey everyone, I'm Kyla from Venngage, and in today's video, we'll explore the effective ways to utilize design and visual communication practices. Let's begin. Visual communication is the conveyance of information and ideas through visual elements such as images, graphics, and design. It utilizes visual cues to facilitate understanding and engagement, playing a crucial role in various fields including marketing, education, and digital media. It's composed of two parts. First, communication design, which involves crafting a message that educates, motivates, and engages. And second, graphic design, which entails using design principles to communicate that message so it is clear and eye-catching. Effective visual communication should be equally appealing and informative. There are numerous types of content that fall under the visual communication umbrella, like infographics, process diagrams, flowcharts, roadmaps, charts and graphs, visual reports, presentations, and mind maps. At Venngage, we offer a variety of these visual communication tools through pre-designed templates that are both easily customizable and shareable. Crafting compelling content that effectively communicates the value of your business can be a challenge, particularly in industries perceived as boring or technical. But it's this kind of challenge where visual communication shines. Creating unique visuals can help you position yourself as the innovative solution in the market. This infographic about credit card merchant processing leverages a playful icon style and modern design treatment to capture attention and maintain reader interest. It comes across as much more approachable compared to a dense wall of text on a web page. What's even better is that customizing this template is exceptionally easy. Utilizing visual metaphors is another way to infuse freshness and excitement into familiar concepts, and it can also contribute to a deeper understanding of your subject matter. In this infographic, the depiction of women running offers a novel perspective in thinking about NPS scores. When you open this infographic in the Venngage template maker, you gain access to user-friendly customization options. You can effortlessly modify the heading, replace the icons, and give new style to your infographics from here. To sum up, here are visual communication tips for making dull topics engaging. Using visuals and icons to make technical information feel approachable. Choose a graphic design style that resonates with your target audience. And employ a unique visual presentation to stimulate your audience's thinking. That's it for today's episode. Check out the description below for our customizable infographic templates on Venngage. And hey, why not share your creations with us? Follow us on social media. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy charting.